Now we discuss about method of purifications of organic compound. Organic compound can be purified by flowing method depending upon the properties of component of mixture. Method, principle and applications. क्रिस्टलाइजेशंस का मेथड जो है, इसका जो प्रिंसिपल है, डिफरेंशियल सोलबिलिटीज ऑफ गिवन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड एंड इट्स इम्प्योरिटी इन सेम सॉल्वेंट. Applications, crystallizations of sugar containing an impurity of common salt achieved by shaking the impure solid with hot ethanol at 348 Kelvin. Sugar dissolve whereas common salt remain insoluble. Sugar dissolve हो जाएगा, common salt insoluble रह जाएगा. Sublimations, some solid substance change directly from solid to vapor. Solid से vapor में बदलेगा, directly solid से vapor में बदलेगा, vapor state में बदलेगा without passing through liquid state. Sublimable compound get separated from non-sublimable impurities. Iodine from sodium chloride. Iodine from sodium chloride, as iodine sublimes readily, leaving behind the sodium chloride. Camphor, naphthalene, anthracene, benzoic acid are purified. Distillation, it is used to separate volatile liquid from non-volatile impurities, liquid having sufficient difference in their boiling point. Hexanes, boiling point 342 Kelvin, and toluene, boiling point plus 384 Kelvin. Chloroform, boiling point 334 Kelvin, and aniline, boiling point 457 Kelvin. Fractional destinations. The difference in boiling point of two liquid is not much. Vapor of the liquid with the higher boiling point condense before the vapor of liquid with the lower boiling point. Crude oil. Petroleum industry is separated into various useful fractions such as gasolines, kerosene oil, diesel oil, lubricating oil. Method, distillation under reduced pressure. Principle, it is used to purify liquid having very high boiling point which decompose or below their boiling point. Glycerol is separated from a spent lye in the soap industry. Steam distillations. This method is used to separate substances which are steam volatile, immiscible with water, possess a vapor pressure of 10-15 mmHg, 373 Kelvin, and contain non-volatile impurity. Aniline is separated from aniline water mixture. Essential oil, turpentine oil, orthonitrophenol's, bromobenzenes, nitrobenzenes, etc. can be purified. Benzoic acid, differential extractions by shaking an aqueous solution of an organic compound with an organic solvent in which organic compound is the more soluble than in water. The organic solvent and the aqueous solution should be immiscible with each other so that they can form two distinct layers which can be separated by using the separating funnels. Benzoic acid can be extracted from the aqueous solutions using the benzenes. Chromatography, differential movement of individual component of mixture through a stationary phase under the influence of the mobile phase. Adsorption chromatography, adsorptions of the various components of mixture on suitable adsorbent such as silica gel or alumina, widely used or separations, purifications, identifications and container of the component of a mixture, whether color or colorless. Column chromatography. Mixture is passed through adsorbent pack in the glass tube. Mixture of the naphthalene and benzophenone. Thin layer chromatography. The mixture is passed over the adsorbent on a thin glass plate. Amino acid can be detected by the spraying the plate with the ninhydrin solutions. Partitions chromatography. Differentials partitioning of component of mixture between the stationary and the mobile phase. Paper chromatography. A special quality paper known as the chromatography paper is used. It contains water trapped in it, which act as the stationary phase for separations of the sugar and amino acid. Carbon, copper oxide, copper 2 oxide test, 2 copper 2 CuO plus C, del 2 Cu plus CO2. CO2 gas turn lime water milky. CO2 plus CaOH2 lime water. Calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus H2O milkiness. Hydrogen CuO plus 2H. Cu plus H2O. Water droplet appear on the cooler part of ignition tube and also turn in anhydrous CuSO4 blue. CuSO4 plus 5H2O. CuSO4 dot 5H2O blue. Nitrogen lesson extract Na plus C plus N NaCN Le plus FeSO4 plus NaOH. Boil and cool. FeCl3 plus concentrated HCl give blue or green color. FeSO4 plus 2 NaOH. FeOH2 plus Na2SO4. FeOH2 plus 6 NaCN Na4 FeCN6 plus 2 NaOH 3 Na4 FeCN6 plus 4 FeCl3 Fe4 FeCN6 3 Prussian blue plus 12 plus 12 NaCl. Sulfur 2 Na plus S del Na2S Le plus sodium nitroprusside a deep violet color. Le plus CH3COOH plus CH3COO2 Pb give a black ppt. Na2S Na2Fe CN5NO sodium nitroprussides Na4Fe CN5NOS deep violet Na2S CH3COO secondary Pb CH3COOH as reagent. PbS list 2 CH3COO Na black ppt. Qualitative analysis of the organic compound element halogens detections. Na plus X del NaX confirmatory and reactions. Le plus HNO3 plus AgNO3 white ppt solubles in aqueous NH3 or NH4OH conform Cl, yellow PPT partially soluble in aqueous NH3, or NH4OH conform Br, yellow PPT insoluble in aqueous NH3, or NH4OH conform 1, NaX plus AgNO3 HNO3 plus AgX PPT AgCl plus 2NH3 AgNH3 2Cl soluble nitrogen and sulfur together Na plus C plus N plus S del HNO3 NaSCN sodium thiocyanate as acidic strength in the test for nitrogen instead of green or blue color. Blood red colorations confirm presence of nitrogen and sulfur. NaSCN FeCl3 FeSCN Cl2 blood red color plus NaCl. Phosphorus PNA2O3 boiled Na3PO4 solutions is boiled with the nitric acid and then treated with ammonium molybdate NH4 to MoO4. Formations of yellow PPT indicate the presence of phosphate, hence the phosphorus in organic compound Na3PO4 plus 3HNO3 3H3PO4 plus 3NO2 H3PO4 plus 12NH4 to MoO4 plus 21HNO3 NH4 3PO4 dot 12MoO3 ammonium phosphomolybdate yellow PPT plus 21NH4 NO3 plus 12H2O